Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own templates in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. Otherwise you can just sign up with your email and then you will access to your Trello workspace. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So basically now, to create our template, we will need to create a board or just to access to a board that you already have so we can make it a template. To do so, you will need to go to boards here in your workspace navigation tab, and either you are going to create a new board or just access to a board that you already have, or you can find your boards here in this section. So I'm going to go to board, but first make sure that it is public so it can be made as a template. And of course you will need to have like a premium version so you can create templates. After that you will need to go to the settings of your templates or of your board, then you will go to more, and basically here, after clicking on the 3 points action, which is more, you will find make template, and basically turn this board into a template for other to copy, and it should be public so it can be a template. So we are going to click on make templates, and basically now it became templates. So now, to let people access to this template, as I said, we should make it public so people can reach this template. And now, as you can see, we are seeing these templates link and other tips that we can do. So now you can just copy this link and share it with other people, and now they will be able to access to your template and download it or use it actually, and modify on it, and you can have some templates like those. So as you can see, those are just ideas of a template and they are customizable and you can do whatever you want. They are having status field, they have priority fields or risk fields, etc. So basically this is how you can make or turn your boards to templates in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.